shit on. Good morning. Big Tomo's putting the green stuff down. Ooh, new carpet. That's what we love. So, as you've seen, he's done mix for me. He's done mix for me. He's a good one in there. I can shovel like you've just seen, but it's like third shovel in goes, oh, proper hurts. So, I am, now he's put my mix on, putting the step in. Tom's turfing. I'm putting the step in. And what else are we doing? Oh, a bit of resin down in that corner. One bucket of resin. Let's see if this GoPro's on. Yeah, it's flashing. Yeah. Yeah. Nice steady morning. So 10 to 11 now. Build this. Half an hour. Something like that. An hour. Tidy up front. Jet wash. Gone. Next job. Start next job. Friday. Busiest day of the week, as you all know. So once again, we are working this weekend, bit of a bonus job. We've got customer from Birmingham. She owns half of bloody Kirkstall and half of Burley. A daughter from Australia is selling her house, putting it up for sale on Monday. We need it on Monday. Oh, daughter's in. Cup of teas are coming out. Come on. So, yes, steady day, steady morning. We'll try and get to other job about 1 o'clock. I've just been at chiropractor today and it's just literally thrown me about. Actually did enjoy it. Put my arm behind my neck, pulled my spine up, bent me over, crammed me in, click, 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 got on bed, and then he made me recovery position, and then elbows into the bum, like every inch like that. Oh, and as you can imagine, that my right hand side and my bum is just sore, tense, but he's loosening it up apparently, but who knows. So yes, I shall check back in with you shortly. See you soon. Wait a minute. Right, we're done. Give it a quick water. Watered everything down just for photographs really, but watered turf. You always give it a water. It's up to them to water it on a night, on a morning. I'm not liable any death in turf. It's up to you guys. You in the bath watching me. It's up to you guys. So yeah, so nice. Let's spin you around. So we always stripe as turf so the so it can look good for the first week or so, and then it just all grows up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. This looks good now. We've got rid of all this block work that were there in front of this garage, but he's going to clad it, so look even better in a few months' time. New 7-foot fence, that was supposed to be 6 foot, till we stood on the other side and realised it was bloody 7 foot. This door here, they're getting a new door, like the new window, so he's gonna do step or call us back for step, depending on how his door works or whatever he decides upon, which is why here it's just mix and match, because we didn't know what to go with. This drain pipe here leads to a pipe that comes all the way down to his gully, and then we had an old ivy bush here that went up. He's kept that up, he's secured it up for now. He's getting some gates and whatnot, so yeah, it's nice. It's nice to be done. Triangle Gardens, love them. Look, cuts everywhere, isn't there? Just cuts everywhere. So yeah, it's been a nice one. So on to the next one. It's now like half wood. We're gonna go tip off, go up the next one, literally lifting the patio ready for tomorrow. So we know, is it soil underneath, is it already hardcore underneath? Prep for tomorrow then. So yeah, it'll take an hour. It's about 30 flags or something like that we're putting down. So see you soon.